Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very common but frustrating problem, acid reflux or heartburn. If you feel burning in your chest, sore taste in your mouth or discomfort after eating, then this video is just for you. And today we will review a very popular medicine, Nexium Control, esomeprazole 20 mg. Does it really give instant relief? How does it work? Is it safe for daily use? Let's break it all down step by step, so make sure you watch till the end. What is acid reflux? First, let's understand what acid reflux actually is. Inside your stomach, there is acid that helps digest food. But when this acid flows back into your esophagus food pipe, it causes irritation and that's called acid reflux. Common symptoms: burning sensation in the chest, heartburn, sour or bitter taste in the mouth, throat irritation, coughing, symptoms getting worse at night. If this happens frequently, it may be gastroesophageal reflux disease. What is Nexium Control? Now let's talk about. It belongs to a group of medicine called proton pump inhibitors (PPI). Its active ingredient is omeprazole. Main function: reduce acid production in the stomach, helps relieve heartburn and reflux symptoms. How does it work? Inside your stomach, there are tiny acid producing pumps. Nexium blocks these pumps. This reduces acid production and gives relief from irritation and burning. Important note: this is not like an instant antacid. It may take 1 to 2 days to start working. Full effect may take a few days. How to use it? Recommended doses: take 1 capsule 20 mg once daily, but best taken in the morning on an empty stomach. Important tips: swallow the capsule whole. Do not chew. Take it at the same time daily. Usually a 14-day course. Avoid long-term use without a doctor's advice. Benefits: relieves heartburn, control acid reflux, helps heal stomach irritation, provides long-lasting relief up to 24 hours. Side effects: like all medicines, it may have some side effects. Common: headache, nausea, gas or bloating. Rare long-term use: vitamin B12 deficiency, weak bones. Always use responsibly and avoid unnecessary long-term use. Who should avoid it? Pregnant or breastfeeding women without doctor advice, people with liver problem, those already taking multiple medications. Always consult a doctor if unsure. Lifestyle change, very important. Medicine alone is not enough. Lifestyle matters. Avoid spicy and oily foods. Reduce tea, coffee and caffeine. Avoid junk and fast food. Do not lie down immediately after eating. Maintain a healthy weight. These habits can reduce acid reflux naturally. Is it safe for daily use? Short-term use generally safe. Long-term use only under medical supervision. If you have frequent symptoms, don't rely only on medicine. Find the root cause. Nexium Control is an effective medicine, helps reduce acid and relieve symptoms, but it is not a permanent cure. Lifestyle changes are essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for my health related videos. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. Take care, stay healthy and see you in the next video.